There's really three ways in which the law has been a bit like a superpower for me. The first is when I've been working with communities. And there are many, many ways in which the community can use the law to challenge decision making, to bring the climate emergency to the notice of decision makers. And simple things like going to the planning committee, bringing climate change, bringing net zero to the decision makers right from the very beginning. And that's a really empowering way in which the community can use the law. The second way is that when activists want to take further steps, so if they want to take direct action, if they want to slow walk in front of a truck going to a fracking site, if they want to lock on to prevent the truck getting into the fracking site, the law is there to protect them and enable them to do that. And then the third way is obviously when you take a decision maker to court to challenge the decision from having any effect. So we tried that a lot with fracking. We tried to prevent and have overturned the permission that was given to frack in the United Kingdom. We tried to get an injunction to prevent fracking from starting. We succeeded for about a week. And then we've tried to prevent other oil and gas and other coal from being taken out of the ground, essentially. And sometimes we've won and sometimes we've lost. But the law has been a very important way in which decision makers have had right front and centre the climate emergency in their minds. And even when we weren't successful before the courts, that legal pressure that kept being put on the industry, that kept being put on the decision makers, that kept being put on the regulator to oversee what was going on, all together that put so much pressure on the industry that in the end I think we contributed a lot to it being successful and fracking being subject at the moment to a moratorium in the UK.